today we just kind of wanted to go over how to re-cement a crown if it pops off over the weekend. Obviously, this is not a permanent fix. It's a temporary until you can get back in. But what I want you to do is, call us, let us know what's going on. But this is an easy way and an instructional video to help you so you're not in pain over the weekend, or if something's really sensitive, you can put it back on yourself. Okay, so a lot of people ask me what a crown is. What we do is we cut down the tooth and we make it a smaller tooth, and then you can put a crown on to protect it. Okay, so say like it is Saturday night and your crown pops off while you're eating and you say, oh no. Okay, so what I want you to do, you can run to the drugstore and get some Fix-It. It's pretty inexpensive. Okay, this is obviously a sample size that we get here at the office, but get the smallest tube you can find. You don't need a lot. When you take off the cap, you have a sharp tip. Okay, and what you want to do is you just want to lightly line the inside of this crown. Okay, you don't want to glob it in there. It'll get all in your gums, or you'll put too much in and you could end up potentially breaking something. Okay, so once you put that glob of Fix-It in to the crown, you put the crown on the tooth, and then you bite your teeth together. Okay, because you want everything to feel nice and tight. You don't want it to be seated wrong and it be high. So when I say seated, like, you see how it's not all the way down right there, so that way if you're biting your teeth together, you're going to get it all the way down. Okay, another question people ask, they're like, well, how do I know I got it on right? Well, if you look, this is only going to go on one way. So you see, if I put that on backwards, it's not all the way down. You'll know. So once again, if it's on right, when you put this on and you bite your teeth together, it's going to feel normal. Okay, I'd probably do a test run without the Fix-It, putting it back on before you actually put the Fix-It on. Another thing I would say is, before you actually put this on, try to dry your tooth off a little bit. You can maybe try a Q-tip. I doubt most people have gauze at their house, but if you do have that, you can just kind of dry the tooth off. The drier it is, the better it's going to stay. Okay, so now I've got this on. I've let that Fix-It set up for maybe, I don't know, a minute or so. Now what I would recommend doing is you take a piece of dental floss and you tie a knot in it. Okay, all right, so this is a little bit, it looks harder than it really is. So what you're going to do is you're going to floss, and you're just going to take that little knot and go back and forth to get any extra out, and then you're going to pull it through. Okay, same thing here. So you're going to floss, you're going to go back and forth, and then you're going to pull it through. Okay, I would take a toothbrush and just kind of, you'll probably have a little bit right here. I would just clean that up, and you will probably have a little bit right in here as well. Okay, so you're just going to try your best to get off all the extra cement, because it'll cause those gums to bleed if you don't. And last but not least, give us a call and we'll get you in the next business day to get that crown back on. Okay, I hope this answered some questions for some of you. I know that it's a scary thing when your crown pops off on the weekend, but we'll get it back on for you as soon as we can. All right, thanks guys, we'll see you soon.